Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable TalkBack option to count repeated symbols in Realme 14 Pro phone and how to disable this option. So first of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Next, we need to scroll down to accessibility and convenience, then accessibility, and here in the upper part we need to select the vision tab. Then we need to open TalkBack, and here in the top right corner we have this cog menu which we need to open. Then we need to go to the verbosity option and scroll all the way down, and here at the very bottom we have our option, count repeated symbols. So we can enable it or disable it by simply tapping this switch right here. Announces the count of repeated symbols when there are 4 or more, as you can see here. And that's all. Goodbye.